Lesson 1.1, Using Variables. How to write an algebraic expression. An algebraic expression is a mathematical phrase that can include numbers, variables, and operation symbols. For example, 7 more than a number n would be written as n plus 7. The difference of n and 7 would be written as n minus 7. The product of 7 and n would be written as 7 times n. And the quotient of n and 7 would be written as n divided by 7. Sometimes the variable is not defined for you, as in the previous examples where it told you that the number missing was n, so you will have to define a variable before writing the expression. To define a variable, you will simply need to write what we call a let statement. So for the first example, you see 2 times a number plus 5. The number, the unknown number, is not identified or defined, so we need to first write a let statement, let n equal the number, and then you can write your expression 2n plus 5. You can use any variable you want for your let statements. The second example, 7 less than 3 times a number. This one says let a equal the number, and the expression is 3a minus 7. To write an equation, the difference between an equation and an expression is that equations have equal signs and will sometimes need multiple variables defined. For this example, Track 1 Media sells all vinyl albums for $20 each. Write an equation for the total cost of a given number of albums. So in this scenario, we have two unknowns. We don't know how many albums were bought, and therefore we don't know the total cost. So we write two let statements. Let n equal the total number of vinyl albums bought, and let c equal the total cost. Both of those variables allow us to write the equation c equals 20n. Just a few key terms for you. If you are having trouble translating the expressions or equations, you can use this chart to help you decide what operation is going to be used for that expression.